what, March 1st, 1991. Billy wants to walk with a fierce desire. Standing up, standing up. Take a couple steps. Come on, take a couple steps. Go, go, go. Try again.
Can I try?
Did you finish? And Matt's go. Stand up. Okay, now walk. Look at him. Look at how long he can stand, Mom.
Whoa! Whoa!
Come on, Bill.
Stand up. Okay, hold on. 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 You gotta
All right.
put your nose down.
All right, go ahead. Walk to Daddy.
You walk.
Go ahead. Put your hands out. Walk to Daddy.
Hold. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I said, hold on. Wait a minute, Bill. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Hey. Okay. Okay. Can you walk? How big's Billy? How big? What? Stand up. Oh, careful. How big's Billy? How big are you? So big. What? Pull yourself up. Okay, can you walk? Let's give it one more time. But how big are you, Billy? Okay, how big are you? Can you say Dada? Oh, you can inject food. Say, my mother sews socks in hell.
He's trying very hard to stand.
I got, come on, I just shampooed the rug. Okay, one more time, ready? Can you walk to Daddy? Hold on. Come on. Come on, get up. Okay, come on. Last time. I didn't have a key there.
See you later, Bill. Who's that?
Hi.
Hi.
You think he's funny when he stands up?
Yep, I
He
do.
laughs when he stands up, right?
Where's Matt? Matt's over there playing with the computer? You want Brother Bear, huh, Matt? We'll fix him up for you.
I'm the dance bear, John Sally Shaw.
Who's that?
I will come to the valley, sing.
That was amazing.